A common question people ask before booking a hearing test is whether earwax should be removed first. Because earwax can sometimes block sound from reaching the eardrum, a significant buildup may influence hearing assessment results. That's one reason many hearing appointments begin with an examination of the ears before testing proceeds. It's important to remember that not everyone has excessive earwax, and earwax itself is healthy and beneficial. The goal isn't to remove earwax unnecessarily, but to ensure your hearing is assessed accurately if a blockage is present.